what is a good take is, I guess, up to the director unless you think there's something technically wrong with it? Or are you and the supervising sound editor going kind of back and forth a little bit on how you think it's sounding?
Typically, I mean, I'm obviously there. I'm steering the boat and listening critically through the speakers and doing that sort of thing and making my own decisions. I will try to, as much as possible, stay out of the discussion and let the sound supervisor, because the sound supervisor is the one that's going to say things like, that was great sync, your pitch sounds a little bit lower today than you did on the set. It seems like you might have been more up here instead of down here. It might have been in the morning or the afternoon, or you should project a little bit. It sounds like, because typically in ADR people tend to talk quieter and act quieter, and it's like, no, the person's maybe 6 feet away from you, project it a little bit more. Because you can hear it when we play it back. It will all of a sudden, energy, low energy, energy, and it sticks out like a sore thumb. So, but I do pipe up when I can tell that nobody is seeing the thing that I'm seeing, and I'll typically say things like let's say the line is, look over there, and I'll say something like, it sounds like there's a big pause between look and over there, a bigger pause than you're giving it, because sometimes the actor is just sort of saying the line and they're not really hearing what they did, and I'm hearing it more as a musical thing. Like I hear the rhythm of it, and I'm just trying to help them get sync. Like they can be concerned with the acting, but I might tell them something mechanical like put a comma after look, or put a dash after look, whatever, or put an ellipses, put 3 dots after it. Look over there, just to help them get that rhythm, to nail the take. And also, of course, if I hear something, if they all love what the actor did, and I unfortunately didn't get it right, I have to sheepishly say, sorry, it's way too quiet. We have to do it again. But I'm expected to on the spot have everything perfectly set. Doesn't always happen, but I have to kind of guess what they're going to give me, and sometimes actors blurt something out that I think they're going to be quiet with, and it catches me off guard. And
yeah, I can totally relate when it's just in terms
you
of
can.
like,
I'm sure
we're gonna do this as improv, and it's like, okay. Well,
and you try to gauge from their previous performance.
Yeah.
Quiet. Now they decided to do it big and loud, and you're like, thank you very much.